Visiting DigiPen to experience our campus firsthand is a great way to get to know our college community better. We offer a variety of opportunities for you and your guests to join us on campus.
We offer daily campus tours Mondays through Fridays for prospective students and their guests to see our campus facilities. Register to tour with one of our admissions representatives who'll show you around and answer your questions along the way.
If you're looking to make the most of a weekend visit to campus, join us for one of our upcoming preview days. Our preview days include presentations from staff and degree program directors, a resource fair, and an opportunity to tour through our campus facilities. Bring any guests with you, all are welcome.
Our Student Shadow program offers a day in the life of a DigiPen Dragon experience. Fill out a request form with your availability and program of interest, and a member of our team will coordinate a chance for you to attend a class and spend time with a current student from that same program. You can even add a campus tour with one of our admissions representatives if you hadn't had the chance to visit us yet. This experience is open to prospective students that may be applying to DigiPen within the next 2 years. Be sure to submit your request at least 2 weeks in advance so that we can create the best possible schedule for your visit.
Whether you're just starting to learn about DigiPen or you are an admitted student and ready to enroll, we have plenty of on-campus event opportunities so that you can experience DigiPen for yourself. Reach out to any of us if you have questions, and we hope to welcome you to campus soon.